Hi friends! Today I'm gonna make an easy cheesecake tart. I like fruits on it, so it's more like a fruit tart. Here are the ingredients that you would need. Graham cracker crumbs, Cool Whip, gotta thaw it, 1 pack cream cheese, butter. We only need about 1/4 cup, which is half stick. That's the butter. A tart pan, it's a 9-inch tart pan. This is optional. It's a fruit tart, so I have some fruits. I didn't have fresh ones, so I took the frozen berries and some kiwi fruit. Okay, so let's get started. I forgot to mention 1/4 cup of sugar also is needed in this recipe. Okay, so let's take half a cup of butter, which is about this much, and melt it in the microwave for maybe about 40 seconds or so. So I'll take 1/4 cup of the crumbs, graham cracker. Okay. You can use your hands also. Okay, just like this. It's just nice and crumbly. Push it down. Just to chill and set. Okay, so the next step is to make the Jello per the package instruction. Just put some water. I think it requires 2. Okay, so the Jello is all mixed. I'm gonna set it aside till it's slightly thickens and sets slightly, not completely. Okay, I'll keep it outside so it doesn't set very quick. So in a bowl, take 1/4 cup of sugar and then add the 8 ounces, 1 pack of cream cheese. Okay. We're gonna beat the cream cheese and sugar till it is well blended on a meat. Okay, so the cream cheese and sugar are all mixed. Now we're going to add the Cool Whip. So we'll take 1 cup of Cool Whip and add to it. This is already thawed, so I'm gonna go ahead and add. It's a little bit more than a cup. Okay, it's nicely mixed. Take out the pan, the tart pan from the refrigerator, and pour this nice mixture in with a spoon. Now go ahead and add your fruit. Arrange your fruit on top of it. Like I said, you could use any fruit you like. Okay. Okay, so once you've arranged your fruit, now we're gonna go ahead and pour that Jello mixture onto it. So it's kind of still liquidy, but it will set, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it on in the refrigerator again. So go ahead and fill it with this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I already put the Jello on top of it and it started to set. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the refrigerator to chill and set more. Now, okay, so we've kept it in the fridge for a couple of hours. It's ready to be served. There you go. Let's get a piece. Please make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Please do share with others too. Thank you.
Put the junk up there.